1 month, I am going to make myself the king of this town.
I'm going to raise the bar of paying this family handsomely to the tune of 500 million naira.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth! 500 million naira. If they stack that money, you climb on top and jump down, you will die.
Nothing will make me sell my throne for any amount in this world.
My brother is not qualified though. He has nothing, he's poor. Do your wish. My brother cannot do, he's poor.
We are not smart. We are not men. So we allow a boy as smart us.
Look at you. You are a young man. Laugh on okay. On a child white. Your hair on a child white. It's poverty. Were you happy the whole time we were begging you for small change? We then here into 2,000. You were there 1,500. You were there 1,000. Now somebody decided to bring out his money, and you're standing here talking about disappointment.
So you now dine with my greatest enemy.
Hey.
Now for your information, I will ascend that throne. And after I ascend that throne, he will be in jail for 2 years while I'm on that throne.
As you told say you no one collect your destiny. I said no no faith. Open the door and a man of the door. Get reason. Collect it be your own. I move. Nothing on earth will ever make me associate myself with any poverty, low life, stricken, worthless parasites.
I will take every rubbish in this world, but that of Awele's own, I will never take it. Rather, I will kill her and kill Frank.
Why do you want to take my brother's inheritance from him?
Will you shut up? When else are talking, you don't talk.
Anybody who finds me that throne, that particular throne, I'll give the person 2 million naira.
You say 2 million?
2 million naira.
What are you doing? I said,
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.